Yes. Oh yeah. You want to see mine?
Yeah, show us. Wow.
See what happened when you cover it?
Yeah. And
So-
you have how many 6 eggs?
I put 4 because I put 1 egg per person. I'm very
You got everything on the diet.
did anybody want 2 eggs? I didn't ask them if they wanted 2 eggs. They're gonna have 1 egg. I have 4 people, 4 eggs.
Okay, that's good. Yeah, let's see how they're cooking so far here. Let's see. Alright.
Ooh. Oh, yours is ready. That's it.
Okay. Done, right?
I think you win the battle of the shakshuka.
No. You have to eat taste testers maybe and then could try out.
That looks so good.
Well, did I turn it off?
Your mom is coming over.
Okay. Come. You can help me clean up this mess.
No. There's no mess.
No, it's not bad. Okay, I'm turning it off. Here. And I might put the bread in now.
Oh, thanks for reminding me the bread.
Yeah, the bread. Bread. Just gonna get a little container for my little bread. Yeah, poor David, he's stuck working today. Let's just heat it up like this will be fine. A little toasty. That's fine. Sorry. Alright, let's put the bread in the oven. Alright, there's fine. Okay.
That looks super good. Oh, that looks really good.
Yeah. Alright.
So now I can come over for Blanche. You can make shakshuka.
Yeah. We should.
Can we add wine to shakshuka? No, you can't.
Oh. We could drink it with wine.
Look at all of that wine.
Or Patron.
Oh,
I got some liquor from all over the world, actually. That's from Italy, that's from Spain, that was from the Dominican Republic, the Mama Juana.
Ooh.
Yep, good stuff.
I think we're all coming over.
Alright, so I should let it cool down.
No, I mean I'm just waiting for the bread, but I'm gonna serve a small plates so we can show the people, so we can make everybody jealous.
You know, you're gonna inspire everybody. That's what I'm saying.
Hold on, I'm gonna do a small plates just so we can see what it looks like. Hold on.
Alright. Alright.
Here. Here's mine.
Oh, yummy, yummy.
This is my favorite part. Watch.
Yeah, that's putting the cilantro?
No,
Oh, that's my favorite.
this is my favorite part. Here,
What?
look at that.
Oh, the egg breaking.
This is my favorite part. Is this right here? Getting all that.
Nice. I'm gonna serve
Can
myself
I-
my first now.
Is it okay for me to have the first bite, or you're the guest? I have to wait for you.
No, go. Try it. I'm just serving myself now. Go for it.
Okay. I can serve this to these people. It's okay. It's good.
Good enough. That is my first.
It's very good. Oh, look at that.
Oh, but you need to put your little cilantro. That's my. I like it.
I put a little bit on top. I actually
Yeah.
I put all of it. See, I told you, yours looks better. Look at that.
No. Yours made me taste
Well, try it and let me know.
We'll see. I can't try it. Okay, my bread's not done, but I don't care. I'm getting it out now. It's hot enough. Yeah. It's hot enough. So, let's see. I shouldn't eat too much bread, but there we go. What a beautiful dish.
Yes, good job. That looks really good.
There we go. I should take a picture. Okay. Let me move this so I can eat more gravy later. Save some for tomorrow. Alright, let me try mine. Need a little fork. It's probably already hot, huh? Look at that.
That looks good. Try it and let me know.
Okay, getting a fork. You didn't know I could make this, huh, Mom? Is Janita, are you still there? I don't know where she's at. Dice is ready.
I just saw that we have Lexi. Hi, Lexi.
Oh, hi, Sarai. Oh, Annalisa. That's funny. Hi.
You just joined. How dare you? This whole time.
I'm everywhere.
The producer just joined at the end. You fired.
Wow, it's so hot. Alright, I'm going for it. Let me blow on it. Alright, let's try it.
I'm waiting for you because
And
I
it
really
looks
want to know.
beautiful.
How hot? It's good, it's just hot. I need to wait for it to cool. Oh my god. It tastes good.
You know how you know it's good? She said it's hot and she cannot wait. She's already with the second bite.
I'll blow on it.
It's hot, but it looks delicious.
Oh,
Well,
Emily, she also, I think you tried shakshuka with us when we were was it in Israel? Did you try it with us? I don't remember, but Emily would travel with us, and she's online now. And Rose, hi, love you. We made shakshuka. Such a weird name. Do you know where they got this name from? Shakshuka? I wonder.
I did not research it.
Yeah.
Don't give me homework to do.
Oh, sorry.
Now I'm gonna look it up. All right. Well,
Okay. Oh, look at this. I forgot to show you the.
yeah. No, that looks good. You did a good
Oh,
job.
I forgot to take a picture, but I started. I forgot the picture.
You can take a picture with another plate. What's important is you like it.
Oh yeah, it's actually good.
I'm glad you like it. Well, thank you. Thank you for doing this with me. I appreciate it. This was
Thank you for
fun.
having me as your guest.
Maybe I'll pick your mom to do it with next time.
Okay. Sounds good. Thank you, Mom. Thanks for joining, everybody. I will enjoy it now. Time to eat, guys.
Yeah, I'm gonna go feed all my guests start looking at me.
Yeah.
But
Nice.
thank you. Hey.
All right, awesome. Have a good Saturday. See you soon.
Okay. Here's the shakshuka we made. We're about to go eat.
I'm eating.
Thanks everybody for joining. I appreciate it.
Follow recipes and move.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye everyone.
Do you have an option to save?
No, I don't know.
Did you exit?
No, not yet.